Aacess Equipment's present 30-ton battery-operated platform truck. Battery-operated trucks using advanced power steering mechanisms. Our trucks come with customizable platform dimensions as per the customer's requirement. As these are outdoor-driven truck, we only use heavy-duty industrial-grade solid rubber tires to enhance strength and performance, along with quality and rugged sub-products that are only used in the manufacturing. We ensure that each battery-operated truck delivers superior performance efficiency, meets stringent sustainability goals in the evolving logistics transportation sectors. The operator cabin serves as the command center for operators. It includes adjustable seats and easy-to-reach controls to reduce strain on operators. With adjustable seating and controls, rear view panel is provided for better vision. A warning buzzer has been installed to alert us in case of any potential hazards. For further inquiries, contact us at the below details.